Alright guys, so here we go with our second figure here. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different shapes. So let's start off with our first rectangle. It looks like every single one of these shapes are rectangles. So we're going to be using area equals length times width. So let's look at this first one. This one is a 7.4 by 3.1. So let me see, 7.4 times 3.1. And then I do that. I can put that in my calculator. 7.4 times 3.1. It's going to get me 22.94. Okay, so look. Well, I'll put that in here, 22.94. Okay, my next one up, this one is a 3.1 by 5. So let me see, 3.1 times 5. Let's see what that gives me in my calculator. 3.1 times 5. Okay, and that gets me 15.5. I'll put that inside of there, 15.5. Okay, my next one up, and notice I'm just using different colors, guys. Ooh, this one right here, this is a 5, so no, that's 5. And then this one right here, notice that matches up with there, that's a 7.4. So it's a 5 by 7.4. So when I put that in my calculator, 5 times 7.4 equals, I get 37. Okay, so let's put that in, 37. Well, gee whiz, guys, just not wanting to work for me tonight. You ever have those days? There we go. All right, well, there we go, 37. Ha! All right, next one up. This little shape right here, I'm going to change colors again on it. I'm going to use black this time. This one's a 3.1 by 7.4. Now, wait a second. I've done a 3.1 by 7.4 again up there. That one's just 22.94. Now, look, this one right here, this is a 5 by 7.14. When I put that in the calculator, I get 37. All right, and then right here, this one is a 3.1. Gee whiz, as I said before, this thing just doesn't want to work tonight. Gee whiz, guys. Oh, I have to use my mouse here. 3.1 times 5 here. Okay, when I get a 3.1 times 5, it's going to give me 15.5. Alright, now my last step, guys, what I want to do, in my calculator, I want to add up 22.94 plus 15.5 plus 37 plus 22.94 plus 37 plus 15.5. Now, pause your video right here, put that in your calculator. I got 150.88 centimeters in a square area, so there we go.